Hey, it's Ryan from Upfit Supply, and in this video we're going to be unboxing a Holman 3-prong J-hook. Let's get into it. All right, I think this might be one of the simplest unboxings I'll ever do. It's just a 3-prong J-hook. I just want to show you everything that you get inside of this box, in case you had any questions on that. Of course, all Holman equipment is covered by a 3-year warranty from the factory. Just make sure you're purchasing it from an authorized reseller like upfitsupply.com. We do have our hardware here, so to answer that question, yes, it does come with the hardware you need to install it on a shelf or wherever you want to put it. And we do have a parts list, quality control stamp, which I love, and then an installation guide on how to install this on a shelf or wherever you're going to put it. And then we have the main component right here in a nice protected plastic bag, our 3-prong wire hook. So again, you've got 2 bolts, 2 washers, 4 washers, and 2 lock nuts. So installation is going to be pretty straightforward. You're probably going to put 2 holes, if they don't already exist, in whatever you're going to mount this to. You put your bolt through with washers and your lock nut and get this secured onto a shelf or onto the wall or wherever this makes sense to put it, partition, whatever that may be. So again, this is powder coated in that gray Holman finish. It's going to match the partition, the shelving, or any other Holman equipment you're going to get from them, your tank rack, whatever that may be. So pretty simple unboxing here. You get the little wire rack, you get the hardware, you get the installation instructions, everything you need to get on your way and start hanging stuff up in your van. Now, if you're looking for this product or any other equipment to upfit your van so that it's work ready, be sure to check us out at upfitsupply.com. Again, my name is Ryan, and have a good one.